Most of us have a hard time making decisions, primarily because we are worried we will make the wrong one. But there's no such thing as a right or wrong decision. It is nothing more than a choice that has been made. So then what does make something right or wrong? Well, it's the label we attach to it and the identity we unknowingly create along with it. The funny thing is, we fear making decisions, so we put them off or avoid them completely. But we forget that indecision is a decision in and of itself. So no matter what we do, a decision is always being made. So we might as well be intentional about these decisions. Here is a step-by-step guide to becoming a better decision maker. We want to start small and get comfortable making meaningless choices. The first thing I want you to do when faced with a choice is to immediately choose. And before you act upon that choice, I want you to ask yourself these 5 questions. Does this choice align with my standards, morals, and values? What is the impact of this choice? Low, medium, or high? Is it at the expense of someone else? Is it at the expense of myself? Am I willing to live with the consequences if my choice does not go according to plan? Ask yourself these same questions about the choices you did not choose, and then act on the choice that best fit these 5 questions. So how did your instinctual choice compare to the factual one? Were they the same, or did you have a different choice each time? So once you feel solid in making choices, we will repeat this exact same process, just replace choices with decisions. And remember to start small and work your way up. The point of this process is to get you to build your confidence, your skills, and your certainty around your ability to make choices and decisions that align with the outcome that you intended.